Hey, we've got this 2021 Toyota Tundra here. Came with the factory LED headlights as an option, and you might be considering getting the Morimoto XB LED headlights for the Tundra. If you have the halogen headlights, they're compatible, but they're also compatible with the factory LED headlights. You just need to get the special harness adapter. But these are the Gen 2. The Gen 2 headlights are a little bit brighter than the original, first version. They also come with amber side markers by default. And we're gonna turn on the startup sequence for you to see. It's got a Bugatti style startup sequence. You'll see how that works. So anytime the key is, the ignition's keyed on, it'll activate that startup sequence, and then it'll go right into your daytime running light mode. So factory daytime running lights on the LED equipped models came with that white strip, and the Morimoto headlights are available in the white or amber daytime running light. And that is full intensity mode. This is definitely brighter than the stock daytime running lights. We're gonna show you the turn signals also. You got a sequential turn signal mode, or you got a standard one. Right now, we've got the sequentials activated. So that gives you that cool kind of sweeping motion to the outside. And if you prefer the original type, you can just get it to blink and without the sweeping motion. But we're gonna turn on the parking lights, turn off the daytime running lights now. And you can see the parking lights, it's that same amber that's running for the daytime running lights, but it's at a 50% mode right now, I believe. So you can see it dims down. If you keep your lights in auto, you're not gonna see this really happen, because when you turn on the low beams, the parking lights are already activated. So during the daytime, you got that full intensity mode, again, white or amber. And then at night, when you turn on your low beams, it switches automatically. The low beams will be on and it'll go right to a dimmer mode. So 3 projectors in there, 3 bi-LED projectors. That's that Gen 2 update. It's got all 3 projectors working as a low beam and as a high beam. Again, amber side markers, default. Different side markers are available, but you'd have to open up your headlights and you will void the warranty. But check out that output. It's a lot cleaner than the factory halogen H4, and as well as the factory LED headlights. The LED headlights do have a little bit of light glare right above the beam pattern, and these have a nice crispy cutoff line, really, really strong. So that's low beam mode. You got instantaneous high beam mode, the shield lift up. It's hard to gauge how good they are here, but we just did a test. You can check out the social media from this day, and you'll see that these lights were actually over twice as bright as the factory LED equipped headlights in terms of max intensity. And you got a much better beam pattern with better spread. So huge win for the Morimoto headlights for these models. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check out the website. We've got the XB LED headlight assemblies available for many makes and models. Thanks again, and subscribe.